Hello and welcome back to Viya Constructions. Today let's have a look at a building renovation project. The building that was situated in the lap of nature was renovated with all modern facilities. The front elevation has been done in a traditional Kerala style with sloped tile roof. A jali or Mukhappu work adds to the grand look of the building and also allows airflow into the interiors. All the doors were done in anjali frame with mahogany shutters. There is also a side door that was built in the traditional Kerala style with 4 panes. Roofing has also been done in a traditional Kerala style. GI truss work with Kerala roof tiles and an additional layer of ceiling tiles were used. This helps in keeping the cottage cool during the summer season. The building was originally built using red laterite bricks. Clear paint was used on top of the bricks so that the beauty of the red bricks are enhanced. A combination of Athankudi tiles and red oxide were used for flooring. Tiles with a contrasting design has also been provided for the wall skirting. The bathroom walls are tiled from floor to ceiling. Separate types of tiles were used to demarcate the dry and wet areas. Kajaria floor and wall tiles and Jaguar bathroom fittings were used. The building was furnished with traditional teak and anjali woodwork. Thank you for watching this video. Do stay tuned for similar content.